elements inspired by the elegance, design and durability seen in the aviation and nautical industries gave birth to Naviatis brand. We are a small independent studio based in London with a family tradition in leather crafting that started with my grandfather decades ago. My boyfriend and I are students. We aim to continue this tradition. That's why we created Naviatis leather goods. After lots of testing, we come up with a smart casual leather belt made to last a lifetime that gets better every day. If you are looking for a versatile belt that can accompany all your daily activities, an attractive design that complements any outfit, this is what we are giving you. The use of a quality cowhide thick, full grain, vegetable tanned makes the leather timeless, aging beautifully. We attached a very strong buckle and put everything together with a bronze Chicago screws instead of thread that can break. This belt is a unisex product which comes in a wide range of sizes in order to fit everyone.
Hello, I am Edward.
Hello, I'm Alina.
We hope you enjoy our project and bake it! Thank you!
Thank you.